Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add your profile information on the Remitly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our Remitly website, and after going to the Remitly website, we have to open our account. And after opening the account, I mean we have to log in our account. And after logging our account, as you can see, we have to click on this icon, and after clicking on this, your profile will be open. So as you can see now, what we need to do, we have to provide the profile information. Like we have to write the add, we have to add our name here. For example, I'm going to write the name Hissam, and we have to write the name, and then simply we have to write this early, and I'm going to click on the save, and the name will be saved. As you can see, you can add these all informations here. For example, if you want to add address, you can also add that. You have to click on the add address, and after clicking on this, you have to provide the all address. If you want to add your phone number, you can also do that. You have to click on the phone number. In this way, you can add these all informations. If you want to edit these information, you can also do that. If you want to edit your password, language, or the email address, if you want to sending to that whom you are sending, if you want to change your sending from, if you want to change your country as we did in the last video, so you can also do that. So in this way, you can manage your so in this way you can manage your profile. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.